I don't know where to start. Well, the first thing to start is with your mindset. The rest you can learn. The attitude and mindset, you need to do that on your own. I have people that tell me, this won't work for me. And guess what? I'll say, you're right, it won't. If you're one of those people that think this won't work for you, it won't. Because you have the wrong mindset. Go back to the drawing board and get the right mindset. How many times have you heard people saying, you know, I'm just going to try to do this job, but if it doesn't work, I'll go back to doing that one. Guess what? They're back, right? Because they're not committed. Through anything, you're going to have ups and downs. Guess what happens? In the downs is where everybody quits. The ones that succeed and make it are the ones that learn from the down and bring it back up.